Most growing businesses generate a massive amount of data across their sales, marketing, and operational systems. But having data and actually being able to use it are entirely different things, especially when valuable metrics get funneled into a tight restriction point. That restriction point is usually a single developer or database analyst. If a non-technical manager wants a customized view of their pipeline performance, they have to submit a request and wait for technical staff to write custom SQL queries just to pull basic insights. This creates massive friction across the organization. Marketing and sales leaders end up wasting hours every single week waiting for manual report compilations rather than actually analyzing the numbers to make decisions. Metabase launched in 2015 to bypass this exact technical hurdle. It is an open-source business intelligence platform built specifically to make data exploration accessible to non-technical users. Raw data translates into strategic action most effectively when the people making the decisions can query it at the speed of their own questions. Commercial business intelligence platforms solve this accessibility issue, but they introduce a significant new problem, punishing per-user licensing fees that quickly price out startups and smaller teams. This dual-axis line chart illustrates the problem. The steep curve represents a standard commercial tool like Tableau, which charges around $70 to $75 per user per month. As you scale to 50 users, that cost skyrockets. The flat line at the bottom is Metabase's Community Edition, which has zero licensing cost and runs on about $20 to $40 a month in basic infrastructure. Even for a modest 10-person team, that flat infrastructure line represents an annual saving of well over $8,000 compared to standard commercial tiers. And that gap only widens as your headcount grows. But this presents a dilemma. You have to determine if transitioning to a free, open-source platform actually lowers your barrier to entry, or if it simply trades clean licensing fees for server maintenance headaches and a clunky user interface. A true return on investment analysis requires looking past the initial software price tag and evaluating the total cost of your administrative overhead and setup time. Metabase tackles the user interface question with its visual query builder. It relies on a natural language style interface that automatically translates simple questions from a non-technical user into actual database queries. Once they start exploring, users can rely on built-in drill-down functionality to click into summary data and uncover the underlying details. From there, they can combine metrics to build customized dashboards and schedule automatic delivery of those reports to the team via Slack or email. For the technical staff, Metabase still includes a native SQL editor to write custom code when the visual builder isn't quite sufficient for highly complex analysis. But as this flowchart shows, empowering those end users requires a major technical trade-off. Messy, unstructured database tables must first be transformed into clean, labeled, restricted data blocks before they reach the user. This upfront work is called data modeling. If a technical lead does not define these clean structures and set up proper role-based permissions first, your untrained staff will generate inaccurate reporting or access sensitive company information. Achieving true self-service data accessibility for your whole organization demands strict architectural discipline and careful configuration from your technical lead. When it comes to deploying the software, you have two primary routes: paying for official managed hosting through Metabase Cloud, or self-hosting the Community Edition yourself using their official Docker deployment options. Looking at this comparison matrix for self-hosting Metabase, the outcome is clear: $0 in licensing fees. But that comes with a financial trade-off of $20 to $40 for a modest server and a direct administrative trade-off. That administrative burden falls entirely on you. Your team assumes the responsibility for managing server updates and ensuring routine backups of your configuration are running to protect against the loss of all your dashboard and query development effort. You also accept specific feature limitations. The free version lacks advanced enterprise controls, most notably the ability to set granular row-level security permissions. If your organization requires that depth of security, you will need to upgrade to the paid Pro or Enterprise tiers. Those managed options do cost money, though they remain considerably more affordable than enterprise contracts with platforms like Looker. Open-source software is rarely free in a total sense. You are paying for it with your own infrastructure management time and accepting functional ceilings. Getting started requires connecting Metabase to your systems. It integrates directly with major databases like PostgreSQL, MySQL, and MongoDB, querying them directly rather than duplicating your sensitive data unnecessarily. It also features a REST API and embedding capabilities, allowing you to incorporate your completed dashboards directly into other internal business applications. But because Metabase queries your systems directly, its speed is entirely dependent on your own architecture. Just like this rapidly spinning gear system straining under a massive weight, a complex query will grind a poor database to a halt. Warning tone: if you apply Metabase to very large datasets without implementing proper database indexing and query optimization, you will experience painfully slow dashboard load times. Metabase acts as a window into your data. It will expose your valuable business insights, but it will also mercilessly expose your database's underlying performance flaws. If you are migrating from an existing commercial BI tool, set your expectations accordingly. Dashboards cannot transfer automatically between platforms and must be rebuilt. For most small to medium enterprises, this process takes 3 to 5 weeks. Let's look at this decision tree. Paying high fees for straightforward reporting? The recommendation: migrate to Metabase. Is data exploration bottlenecked by a single developer? Deploy Metabase Community Edition. But if you require complex data modeling or granular row-level security, the route is avoid Metabase. Metabase is a surgical tool designed for a specific organizational size. It is not a blanket solution for massive enterprise data operations. Metabase earns our strongest recommendation for small and medium enterprises wanting to democratize their data access. Its approachable design, ease of setup, and zero licensing costs deliver exceptional value. If your organizational scale pushed you into the avoid category on our decision tree, you'll want to watch our next episode on Apache Superset, a free platform built specifically for advanced enterprise-scale analytics. The choice of a business intelligence tool determines who in the organization is actually empowered to ask questions and find their own answers.